guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And I got some Temu stuff. You know that by the title, but I want to show it to you. So this is basically how you're going to up your nail photos game on the low. So some of these products can be a little bit spendy out there in the world, but Temu has things for a very affordable rate. As you know, Temu is an online marketplace like Shein or AliExpress, things like that. Shipping is a little bit longer, but the prices are really unbeatable, and they have everything. They've got nail stuff. I've got a ton of their nail stuff, but they also have like house stuff, and they have technology. They have clothes, and the clothes are surprisingly good quality. So that's pretty great. They have jewelry, they have all kinds of gadgets, and there are other Temu videos on my channel if you want to check them out. But I want to show you what I have and how to use it, and then I'm going to give it away. So as you can tell, this is a box type thing. It is from this brand. The links for everything you see here will be in the description. Let me open this. So this is what it looks like. It is in this bag for carrying and storing, and then just folds up. You can see through it. It's a photography light box. So we will pull it out. And so it does come with a little bit of instructions. You've got the box, you've got the power cord, you've got some backgrounds. The cord attaches and detaches. And then there's instructions on how to put the box together so that it is compact and you can put it away when you're not using it. And then these colored things are the backgrounds. So we have green, we have white, we have yellow, we have red and black and blue. And they are lengthy so that they fit inside. They have these bits so that you can fasten them, and then this other bit clips on so it stays in place. And then here is our portable photo studio. I'll probably zoom this in so that you can read it. It talks about the wattage and the model and all that stuff. It's like this flexible, sturdy plastic, so it's really lightweight. I'm gonna have to lift my camera up. Okay, so now you can see. Let's open her up. So this is actually the top. It's got this little flap for opening. And then you have the sides, and then in here is your cord, so you don't lose it. So here's the light. It's this LED strip. Some of them, they have them in a circle around here, but this one is right here, which I think is gonna be good for not casting shadows. I have a box like this that's a little bit bigger and it's black, but it has the circle, and there's always glare on my nails, so I think this is gonna be better. Let's put it together. So we've got these tabs and these tabs, they match, and so you just want to hook those together like that. Super easy. And that's how you get your box sticking together. We're halfway done already. Turn it around and put the top on, and then here's the tabs that you hang the backgrounds on. Alright, so our box is together. We sit it up like that. Yeah. I'm gonna move the camera so you can see in. Okay, so yeah, we're in here. Let's get our cord. Now it doesn't come with the box that you plug this in, so you're gonna have to bring your own, but I'm gonna plug it into my laptop. And then we take this, and the plug-in for it is here. Make sure you're putting it in the correct way. Ah, it's on. All right, so we've got our lid where we peek in. You can use your camera in that hole or your phone, and you can close it back down. This box does not have a power button though, so if it's plugged in, it is on. Let's say we want to use one of these backgrounds. You can use the white, but I would use the background to cover those up because that's not great. But let's put it in there and just see how it looks. All right, so we've clipped it on in the back. All right, so yeah, that's on there. Looking good. You can see that it is light in here, but it isn't casting a glare. I'm gonna put the camera down this now. All right, so now you're looking in from this angle. We are in here, and you can see we've got light. You can get your shots from above. You can get your hand in here. There's plenty of room. You could put both hands if you need to. You could put some cool items in here. There's lots of space. If you're doing press-ons, you can put them in here. And in fact, I have something for that. There's this frame here that I got, and you can take photos from the top or from the front of this box. So I got this so that you can put it in here and push it up against the back. And it comes with this like slab. It's, I don't know, I think probably some sort of wood, but it looks like marble. Obviously you would take it out of the plastic, but then you put this on here, and you can put them little sticky strips and put your press-ons on here, so that when you take the photo from the front, the lighting is coming from on top, so you don't have to have that glare. And basically it'll kind of just have it at a slant. And then I also got these. So this is a packet of backgrounds. They're different bricks. Apparently that's backwards. But yeah, they're different brick patterns, but there's a couple of each. So like if you use them up, that's all right. You have more. But this way, you know, you get a little bit of a variety if you want to set this down and then put your item on top of it, take the picture. That way it's got a little bit of something decorative. These are just handy to have, really affordable. They have all kinds of backgrounds. You would look this up by looking up Scrapbook backgrounds, and they have everything. They've got flowers, they've got like enchanted forest, they've got inside of your house looking, all kinds of stuff. Let's swap this white screen out and see what maybe the black one looks like. All right, so here is our black background. Let's say we want to zoom in because we don't want to see none of that edge stuff. So we do, and we're like, oh, look at my hand. Look how beautiful and well lit it is. The color you choose as a background is really going to have an effect on your white balance. So pick a color that shows the way you want it to. Yeah, this looks great. Like, I would not be upset to take nail photos here, and the neutralness of the background keeps it from being distracting. So if you've been out here looking for a nice plain spot in your house where you can take a picture, this may be a great solution for you, especially since natural lighting is not so easy to come by. So you want some lighting that does give a nice glow but doesn't give you so much glare. Look, if I hold it this way you can kind of see the glare, but I really like this setup better than my other one with the circle. But yeah, this is pretty cool stuff. It's not a long video, but it is an informative video. All of these items were less than $20, I believe. I think probably the most expensive item that I've showed you is probably this box, and it was less than 10, I think. But again, all of the links and the prices and all the stuff will be in the description. Now there is a set of lenses in that description as well for that you like clip onto your phone, so it gives it different effects. I am not giving those lenses away, but I'll show you. So this is my daughter. Don't tell her that I posted. So this one's the fisheye lens, but I think oftentimes apps have these kind of filters, so you don't necessarily need them, but I wanted to try them. Here's one. This one makes it kind of blurry looking. It's kaleidoscope, a different type of kaleidoscope. This one, I don't know what it was doing. This one looks also kind of normal. This one zooms it out. This one gives it this kind of like motion thing. But yeah, so that is one of the things that I got in this package, but I'm not sure that those are entirely necessary, which is why I did not include them. But somebody is going to win this box and this stand with its marble slab and these brick backgrounds. If you wanted to, you could even tip it over and do it sideways so you've got a wider space, or you can just stick this in here if you want to use it for your background. Whatever you like. If you have somewhere in your house you can just set the box and leave it out, that is also your choice, but it's so easy to fold away and put in a drawer that you don't have to worry about it obstructing your area. So as you know, I do my giveaways with a Google Sheet because it seemed to be the most effective without causing issues. We don't have to worry about anybody scamming or trying to pretend to be the winner and claim your prize, that kind of stuff. So there will be a link in the description for a form to fill out to enter. Of course, you know, do make sure you're following all the rules, read them. It's like you have to be subscribed, you have to be 18, you have to have a US mailing address. Of course, anybody can enter this as long as you follow the rules and meet the requirements. This giveaway is not associated with YouTube or Temu. It's just something I wanted to do. I wanted to get these items so I could show them to you and then give them away to one of you who would like to have them and could potentially make use of them. And if you want to get this for yourself, use the links, go ahead and grab it. It's super cheap, super cheap. So that's great. But I will let you guys go. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. As you know, it all helps the algorithm, helps my channel grow, helps me, and I love talking to you and I love making these videos, and so it makes me happy when you love watching them. But that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.